Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life. I am here for a totally different reason. I'm extremely emotional right now, but I feel like it's time to get to know the real me a little bit. Um, I'm so touched. I'm so touched at this community. I'm so sorry. I've had a couple people do shout outs for me. And I'm beside myself at the support and the love of this community. And as I've mentioned in the past, that I used to do hair bows years ago when my youngest girl was just a baby, and I was in that community for many years, 8 years. Um, in doing that, um, there was some people who I adored, and there's one particular friend that I've stayed in contact with. We don't talk as often as we used to, but we make sure we don't lose connection. But that community was very picky, very I hate to say it, judgmental. And it wasn't even just necessarily about your craft. We all start out slow and then we get better as we keep working and we keep progressing. But even when you got good, it just was just drama filled, and that was just not my cup of tea. And I try my best to stay positive. I'm not perfect about that at all. I mean, I just am not. I've got a lot going on in my life. I've been doing my best to keep up my household, get my family packed to get ready to move. But I've still been doing my best to enter giveaways. Not necessarily for the prize, although who doesn't love that? And these ladies create some great prizes, but it's the fact that there's so much support, and it's hard for me not to want to join in and support each and every one of y'all as well. With that being said, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that this is emotional, but this is the part where you're getting the real me. I said, I named my channel Real Life, Real Wife for a reason. And one of the biggest things is because I want to keep it real. And I'm sorry, sometimes it may not be nice. Sometimes it may have tears. It may have a vent here and there. But for the most part, I just try to stay positive. But I want to be real and honest. And this is real and honest. And because of the shout outs, because of the love and support, I just got done doing a video that I will upload later, possibly tomorrow. I'm trying to do a few videos to get them and load them up throughout the week, so that while we're moving and I'm not able to do anything, there's something there to stay connected with y'all. But what I want to do is I want to give a huge shout out to each and every one of y'all. And I'm going to call out a few names, and I'm going to explain a couple of reasons behind each one. And please know, if it's not your name that called out, it's not because I'm not thinking about you. These are just somebody who I've gotten close with. And some who have done extra special things for me. And Miss Deborah with Deborah's Chilling Bags, I love you, girl. I have enjoyed talking to you and getting to know you so much. It has really touched me. And of course, Bonnie's Corner. Miss Bonnie, I love you and I adore you. You are a complete sweetheart, and you have become one of my first friends, real friends on here that we connect. I'll Make It Crafts, honey. How can I not to thank you for all the help that you have given me? I ask a question and you messaged me to make sure, and you just kept staying in contact and helping me and sending me links and telling me who to go see so that I could at least start doing the amazing work that you do. I'd also like to include Denise Alcock. Oh my goodness, what can I say about sweet Denise? She's amazing. That's all I can really say. She was one of the first people to contact me and ask me, and she understood that I'm in the middle of a move. So the first thing she did was ask me, as soon as I got settled with my move, would I be willing to do a swap with her? And I was like, absolutely. I cannot wait. And then she knows there's some other things we had discussed and talked about, and she's another one that's just too kind for words. And I just want to let you know that I appreciate you all. Carolina's Creations. It started out with me just falling in love with the work that she does. But we have talked, and she has helped me and give me tips and pointers. And always so stinking sweet. It makes your teeth ache. Rosita Brown, my sweet Rosita. You were always there, constantly one of the first ones, always watching my videos and leaving a comment. And we have talked briefly, and I just think you are just so super sweet, so super kind. Crafty Mermaid Mom. I have many new subscribers because of Crafty Mermaid Mom. She left a channel on her giveaway for you to actually go and like a lot of new beginner YouTubers. And my name was on that list, and I know that there were several. And I did go subscribe to pretty much anybody I was not already subscribed to. Because it is important. How are you supposed to hear and help these people, grow their channel if you have not heard of them? And for her to do such a sweet giveaway and include the smaller channels is just beyond amazing and so heartwarming. So thank you for that, and thank you to all my new subscribers. And of course, I have to thank Trina's Place once again. I know I've said thank you, doll, several times, but I can't say it enough. You were one of the first ones to give me a shout out and help my channel grow. So I love you, girl. I really do. And last but definitely not least, what triggered this emotion was Thomas, the Texas fam, just sent another shout out. And with my move, I have been completely stressed. I've been completely stressed trying to make sure that I still keep supporting each and every one of you and getting entries in. And no, it's not. Like I said, it's not about the gift. Yes, that's always fun. Yes, it's always great to receive something in the mail other than bills. But it's about supporting each other. And I have come to understand after so many years in groups that I used to be in, that the support that this community gives is more than I ever expected. And so for you to leave me a shout out, I cannot thank you enough. And I would love to get to know you a little bit better. I would love to, talk through email and maybe become real close friends. I adore each and every one of y'all, and I apologize if I have left somebody out. It is not intentional. It's just there's certain ones who have made extra contact, and that's why my emotions are so high, is just how sweet everybody is. And with that, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but basically I just did a video. That's why you're seeing all these sparkly pretties. And I'm going to space them out. I don't want to be forgotten. I don't want y'all to think that I have forgotten y'all. But once I get this move settled, I'm going to be 110%. So, I thank you. I wish you all the best. And I love each and every one of y'all. Thank you.